Your toothbrush might be dirtier than your toilet seat right now, and most people have no idea. Budget buying breaks down 5 smart toothbrush holders designed to fix that exact problem, but only one balances hygiene, convenience, and everyday practicality best. Stick around, because what separates these 5 might change how you think about your bathroom routine. If you just want a simple upgrade from an open counter-app cup without diving into complicated tech, this is a good entry point. The Gevoodix holder keeps things refreshingly straightforward. Its auto-inductive cover triggers a sanitization cycle automatically whenever it closes, so you're not manually starting anything every time you brush. It's built to work with electric brushes, manual brushes, and kids' brushes alike, making it a genuinely practical pick for households with mixed brushing habits. The wall-mounted design lifts everything off the counter entirely, which instantly cleans up bathroom clutter while giving the space a more modern, organized feel. Warm air drying at 140 degrees Fahrenheit helps eliminate lingering moisture, tackling one of the biggest reasons bacteria builds up on brush heads in the first place. At just a few inches wide and under a foot tall, it fits into tight bathroom layouts without demanding extra space or awkward installation. The automatic sanitization cycle is a real convenience win, especially for families who forget manual cleaning routines. Wide brush compatibility also makes it flexible for shared bathrooms. Where it falls a bit short is feature depth, since it skips extras like UV cleaning cycles or digital displays found on higher-tier models. It's a solid, no-fuss starting point if anyone wanting more advanced sanitization will want to look further up this list. Now things start feeling noticeably more feature-packed, especially if your bathroom sink is already crowded with cups and toothpaste tubes. Dneximg approaches the category differently by combining several bathroom essentials into a single unit. 10 independent air outlets circulate airflow around each brush and cup slot, drying everything from multiple angles rather than relying on a single vent. A large LED screen keeps you informed with a visible countdown timer, showing either a 10-minute cycle on battery or a 60-minute cycle when plugged in, so you always know exactly where the drying process stands. What really sets it apart is the added functionality, since it also works as a cup holder and automatic toothpaste dispenser, cutting down on separate bathroom clutter. With 4 toothbrush slots and 2 mouthwash cups included, it's clearly built for larger families rather than individual use. Installation relies on a strong adhesive backing rated to hold up to 10 kilograms, giving it a stable, semi-permanent mounted feel. The multifunction design is a genuine space saver, replacing several separate bathroom items with one unit. Large family capacity also makes it a smart pick for busy households. The trade-off is a noticeably bigger footprint than simpler holders, since combining that many functions naturally increases its overall size. It's an excellent organizational upgrade, though smaller bathrooms or single users may find it more capacity than they actually need. Here's where hands-free convenience actually starts feeling like a genuine everyday upgrade rather than a gimmick. Wekity brings motion sensing into the mix, letting you open or close the cover with a simple hand wave from about 5 to 10 centimeters away. No touching required after a brushing session. That detail matters more than it sounds, especially when your hands are still wet or covered in toothpaste. Built from durable ABS material, the automatic cleaning system claims strong effectiveness against everyday bacteria buildup, and a high-definition LED screen keeps the entire process visible and easy to monitor. Depending on whether it's charging, the unit runs either a straightforward 5-minute cleaning and drying cycle or extends into a full hour of heated drying afterward. Two detachable slot configurations let you switch between a double brush layout or a combined brush and razor setup, adapting easily to solo or shared bathroom use. A 2000 mAh battery keeps it running for extended periods, and Type-C charging keeps recharging quick and convenient. The motion-sensing lid is a standout hygiene feature, minimizing unnecessary contact throughout the day. Long battery life also adds real convenience between charges. The compromise is a slightly more involved cleaning cycle logic that takes a moment to understand at first. Once set up, though, it delivers a genuinely smooth, low-maintenance, hands-free experience. This next one takes hygiene several steps further, and the difference becomes obvious the moment UV light enters the picture. Wonico steps into more serious sanitization territory with a motion sensor lid that avoids unnecessary contact entirely, paired with a 24-hour UV light cleaning cycle that runs automatically every 2 to 4 hours depending on power mode. That consistency matters, since bacteria doesn't wait for you to remember a manual cleaning routine. A transparent 360-degree chamber lets you actually see your brushes, staying protected rather than just trusting a closed box. Heated drying at 140 degrees Fahrenheit activates through USB-C power, clearing moisture within about an hour and keeping bristles genuinely ready to use, rather than damp and vulnerable to regrowth. Dual-mode operation adds real flexibility too, offering an energy-saving 4-hour cycle for travel or a faster 2-hour turbo cycle with heated drying at home. 3 interchangeable holders accommodate different brush types, razors, and kids' brushes, while rounded edges and an auto-locking lid make it genuinely safe for family bathrooms with children. The UV cleaning combined with visible chamber design is a meaningful upgrade in both hygiene and peace of mind. Compact, lightweight construction also makes it easy to mount almost anywhere. The only real limitation is that its smaller round footprint holds fewer brushes at once compared to bulkier family-style holders. Still, for consistent daily sanitation, this is one of the strongest performers on this list. And here's the one that pulls every strength on this list together into a genuinely lab-backed, complete solution. Bitvae closes out this comparison by leading with real scientific weight behind its cleaning claims, referencing NSF research showing a 3-month-old toothbrush can carry significantly more bacteria than a toilet seat, and building its entire design around solving that exact problem. Dual-band UVA plus UVC technology extends the cleaning spectrum beyond surface-level dirt, penetrating deeper into bristles than single-band UV systems typically manage. Infrared motion sensing opens the lid automatically within a 5 to 10 centimeter range, while a built-in LED display keeps operation mode, cleaning progress, and battery level all visible at a glance. A 3-hour automatic cleaning and ventilation cycle runs continuously, keeping brushes dry even in consistently humid bathrooms. It comfortably fits sonic, electric, and manual brushes, with a smart dual-stop compartment separating thick-stem and thin-stem brushes for mixed households. The removable inner tray rinses clean easily, preventing residue buildup over time. The lab-referenced dual UV technology genuinely sets this apart from single-function competitors, backing its claims with real scientific context. Thoughtful slot organization also makes it practical for families with different brush types. Its main limitation is a slightly higher price point that reflects all that added engineering and testing. For anyone prioritizing genuine hygiene performance, that investment is easy to justify. Weighing hygiene performance, versatility, and everyday usability, the Wonico Smart Toothbrush Holder stands out as the most well-rounded choice overall. Its UV cleaning, visible chamber, and family-friendly safety features balance convenience and peace of mind effectively. If lab-certified dual-band UV cleaning is your top priority, the Bitvae model deserves a closer look too. Your household size and hygiene priorities should guide your final decision. Which one of these holders would upgrade your bathroom the most? Let us know in the comments below. If this comparison helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe to Budget Buying for more honest breakdowns like this one, and check the description for direct purchase links to everything we covered today.